I'm going to show you two of the most important things to confirm when considering a CPA offer. Hey guys, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and I wanted to make a really quick video for newer affiliate marketers. If you're doing CPA marketing, cost per action marketing, and you're trying to figure out, hey, which offer should I promote? Now this tip is applicable to really any affiliate network, whether it's Max Bounty, ClickMagick, or CJ Affiliate, or even if you're working directly with the company and you're applying to be an affiliate. So two of the most important things outside of obviously what the product is, what creatives they give you, all of that kind of stuff that obviously makes sense. You have to pick the right product, but there's two sneaky little things that are really easy to overlook that could really, really burn a lot of time and effort on your end. So I'm going to show you what those two are. So not talking about what the earnings are and all of that obvious stuff. So it's just really easy to overlook. And when I first got started with affiliate marketing, I actually overlooked these, and I'll tell you about that in a moment. So let's just say we're on Max Bounty and you're looking today, okay, what should I promote? Let's just pick one. Okay, Atkins diet. Okay, people always want to lose weight, so that's a good one. So now, sure, we can go through here and we see what the price per lead and what's allowed and what's not allowed, but something that people don't really focus on are these two things right here. So number one is your daily cap. So cool, this one doesn't have a daily cap. So that means what is the earning potential of this campaign? So for example, this one doesn't have a daily cap, but one I was looking at earlier, I'll show you guys right now, and a lot of them do have a daily cap. So let's say Hulu, okay, it's streaming stuff. Okay, 15 actions per day. And the earnings are $8 per lead. So 15 times 8, $120 is the max you could earn a day, which isn't bad, but still, the point is, it's going to take you a long time to figure out typically what works for an offer, right? Like when you're testing various offers, what works, what doesn't. So that experimentation is sort of your upfront investment. Then once you find the secret sauce, then if you can't scale it, you have to really wonder, do I want to spend the time to figure out how to make this Hulu thing subscription work? Or do I want to get an offer that doesn't have a daily cap and spend my time on that? So that's number one. Now, you can actually message your affiliate manager if you have one, or the company, and maybe they'll increase that cap for you. But you're hoping that they do that. And in order for them to do that, you're gonna have to show good performance. So right off the bat, really be mindful of that. A lot of new affiliate marketers don't pay attention to that, and that's another thing. The next thing is exactly like this. It's the expiry date. This one doesn't have an expiry date, but I have seen a lot of offers that have an expiry date. So these are campaigns the companies run with these affiliate networks, or they run as an experiment on their own or whatnot, but a lot of these campaigns do have expiry dates. And again, this goes down to, let's say the expiry date is, let's say the campaign's only valid for 60 days. And it takes you 3-4 weeks to figure out the right ads combination or copy, or let's say you're doing content, right? Let's say it's a long-term play and you're like, okay, I'm going to build this site and I'm going to build all this content around this affiliate offer. Imagine if it's only available for 60 days, the amount of time you just wasted, right? So really need to pay attention to these two things. Also, another good strategy on that side is if you are going the content route, try and pick affiliate offers that are swappable. So for example, maybe you're doing something about streaming movies or streaming TV shows. So maybe you can flip out Hulu for Netflix. Now, Netflix doesn't have an affiliate program at the moment, but as a really simple example, right? So you're kind of doing more content on the category, so you can even flip out the links even if one dies. So it's another kind of adjacent tip there, but that's it, guys. Really quickly, pay attention to those two things, because you could invest a lot of time and effort and even money as you're learning for no reason. And I said I'd tell you a story. So there was a couple offers that I was testing, built out this whole funnel, built out all of these emails, this whole system, multiple ads, all this copy, really started to see some traction. I'm like, okay, great. All right, this is working now. And then boom, offer ends. So guys, just silly mistake, but really, really easy to overlook. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Really helps me out. Really encourages me to make more videos. Also, leave your comments. Be interested to know what you think. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We're publishing multiple videos a week.